Hello friends, welcome back. If you love suya but don't want to wait for the roadside vendors, guess what? You can easily make your own juicy spicy chicken suya right at home in your oven. It is simple, it is delicious, and the flavor is absolutely irresistible. So let's jump straight into it. I'm using chicken breast today because it is easy to work with and cooks beautifully. But you can use any part of the chicken as long as you can slice it flat. First, use a sharp knife to butterfly and flatten the chicken. This step is very important because it helps the suya spice penetrate deeply, ensures even cooking, and gives us that authentic suya texture. Once flattening, cut the chicken into your preferred suya sizes. Thin stripes cook faster and soak up more flavor. Transfer the pieces into a bowl and add your suya spice blend. If you want to learn how to make suya spice from scratch, check the link in the description. Next, add some vegetable oil and massage the spices into the chicken thoroughly with your hands. Make sure every piece is well coated. Cover the bowl and let it marinate for at least 4 hours. The longer, the better. After marinating, it is time for the fun part. Get your oven tray ready with a rack placed on top and some skewer sticks. Carefully thread the chicken into the skewers. Arrange them neatly. Once all the chicken is skewered, coat them again generously with some suya spice and brush lightly with vegetable oil. Now place them on the rack and transfer to your preheated oven. Grill for about 1 hour, flipping halfway through to ensure even roasting and that perfect golden brown finish. Keep an eye on them so they don't dry out. And after just 1 hour, look at that. Our flavorful, smoky, perfect grilled chicken suya is ready to serve. You can enjoy this with fresh vegetables, onions, tomatoes, a cold drink, or pair it with your favorite side dish. It is that simple, that delicious, and totally worth trying at home. If you love this recipe, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more amazing homemade delicacy. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.